if I going to be a fish, what kind of fish are we? Jonathan, please comment. I'm pregnant, Steve. I miss you so much, Steve.
Brian, you make me pregnant because your bang bang is so good. You come here in the Philippines.
Steve, you double pregnant, my mare. Brian, please come here in the Philippines.
You go here.
I miss you, Steve.
Let's get married.
Dexter, ito na yung bunga ng pagmamahalan natin dalawa, Dexter. 10 months prigi na ako, Dexter. Dexter, salamat sa pagmamahal mo sa akin, Dexter, ha? Sobrang saya ng happy ko, Dexter, dahil sa'yo, Dexter. Dexter, wag na wag mo akong iiwan, Dexter, ha? Sabay natin, Dexter, papalakihin itong baby natin, Dexter. I love you, Dexter. Mwah!